At Cricut, our mission is to help people lead creative lives. Cricut's creativity platform enables an engaged and loyal community of users to turn ideas into beautiful, professional-looking, handmade goods. The Cricut story is best told through our users, like actress-singer Zooey Deschanel.
I would have thought making something that looks this professional would have taken a really long time, and I didn't realize there was something out there that could make me feel like a pro.
The Cricut experience begins with our connected machines, which bring our users' ideas to life. We strive for our users' journeys to be both inspiring and intuitive, so we take great care to design machines that are beautiful and easy to use. The family of Cricut connected machines has a variety of different uses, including a simple compact machine for quick everyday projects, as well as faster, more powerful machines that can cut and write on a wide variety of material types, from delicate lace to popular craft materials like iron-on, vinyl, poster board, and cardstock, as well as the tougher stuff like mat board, leather, and basswood. We also offer a broad range of accessories and materials that bring designs to life, from a family of Cricut-branded heat press products and related accessories to beautifully designed hand tools and high-quality materials, all in a growing array of colors, patterns, and effects. Using a Cricut connected machine is easy. Here's how it works. Users create on Design Space, a free companion app for mobile devices and desktop, to choose a ready-to-make project or create their own from scratch. Next, they edit and personalize the design to their liking. Cricut Access and Cricut Access Premium are paid subscription plans, provide a curated and growing design library of over 125,000 images, 6,000 ready-to-make projects, and hundreds of fonts, as well as other benefits. Or they can purchase this content a la carte, including popular licensed artwork. Once their design is done, they select Make It, and the machine cuts and embellishes the material so it's ready to assemble and share with friends. From personalized birthday cards, mugs, and t-shirts, to home decor, and even large-scale interior accents and beyond, the possibilities with Cricut are limited only by a person's imagination. Because all of our users' designs and projects are stored in our cloud-based software, users can access their projects anywhere, at any time, from any desktop or mobile device. Another benefit of our cloud-based connected machines is that the Cricut platform is an ever-growing repository of data that gives us insights into what's trending with our users. Our loyal community of users become deeply engaged with Cricut through inspiring, teaching, and creating with each other. Each project becomes an opportunity to create a conversation. Cricut users are social people. We have more than 3 million followers across social media platforms. Plus, there are many independently run Cricut groups across social media, created by everyday people passionate about sharing Cricut tips, tricks, personal stories, and more. Our Cricut community lives offline too. Users will self-organize, host independent events, and meet up in person. These community events attract users from around the globe and generate excitement, especially around new product launches. Whether our users are looking for peace of mind or use their connected machine to power a small business, Cricut often becomes a huge part of our users' creative lives, serving as the foundation for a lifelong journey of creativity.